Get your booty over here. While the night's still young, don't disappear. Won't you show everyone just how much you love me? Get your booty over here. Baby, it's my party, yeah, it's my night. So when they're looking at you, be by my side. Yeah, it's the best thing about you. You got love all around you. Ooh, yeah, you look so damn fine. That's enough schmoozing and boozing for you. Stop working the room and get your booty over here. While the night's still young, don't disappear. Won't you show everyone just how much you love me? Get your booty over here. Hey.
Look, I know you gotta see girls, gotta show a little face, gotta tell them about your day, nah. But baby, all I'm tryna say, baby, you can take a break, maybe someone we can wait, cause girl, you over there, and I don't mean to overshare, but you pull up with all that, I might need some Tupperware, baby. That's enough, baby.
That's enough schmoozing and boozing for you.
That's enough, baby.
Stop working the room and get your booty over here. While the night's still young, don't disappear. Won't you show everyone just how much you love me? Get your booty over here. Where my cuties, where the booties at? Hey, where my cuties, where the booties at? Yeah, where my cuties, where the booties at? Where my cuties, where the booties at? Hey, yeah, get your booty over here. While the night's still young, don't disappear. Won't you show everyone just how much you love me? Get your booty over here. Get your booty where the booty's at. Hey, get your booty where the booty's at. Booty's with it. Won't you show everyone just how much you love me?
Let's learn Booty. It's choreographed by Guillaume Richard and Debbie Rushton. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance with restarts on walls 2 and 5 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the step changes on the chorus walls, and then we're going to go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Booty. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do side touches, and if you would like for styling, you can do hip rolls as you do those side touches. So if you're choosing to do the hip rolls, you're going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you do that, you're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right, and then touch your left foot next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, and we're going to roll our hips clockwise from right to left, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do 2 walks back, step back right, left, and we're going to do a right coaster cross, stepping your right foot back, left together, and cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step touch to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our left foot to the left side. Step together with your right, taking weight onto your right foot, and then shuffle forward with your left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. You're now going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then we're going to pop both knees forward and recover your weight onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our coaster cross. You're going to do your side together, shuffle forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we are going to cross our left over our right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to cross our right over our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, crossing your left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to do diagonal step touches. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we swivel both heels to the right. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to swivel both heels to the left, and then we're going to swivel both heels center, putting your weight onto your left foot, and that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Diagonal step touch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to make sure that your weight is on your left foot when you finish so that you can go into your side touch with your hip rolls. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're stepping to your right and doing your hip rolls. So it's roll and touch, step side, roll and touch, walk back, back, coaster, cross. Side together, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter, knee, pop. Cross left over right, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, quarter, diagonal touch, step, quarter, swivel, swivel, center, weight's on your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the restarts. The restarts are going to happen on walls 2 and 5 after 16 counts. What is going to be important is that it happens on your knee pops. So because we are restarting on those walls, when you finish your knee pops, you're going to put your weight onto your left instead of your right like you would normally do. So when we do those knee pops, weight's on your left so you can step to the right and roll your hips. So now let's dance wall 2 up until those restarts. So wall 2 is facing 9 o'clock. Weight is on your left. You're doing your step with your hip roll. So it's roll, touch, walk back, back, coaster, cross. Side together, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter turn, knee pop. Weight is on your left, facing 12 o'clock so that you can go into your hip rolls. You will then dance wall 3 to the front, wall 4, and then wall 5 will be a 6 o'clock facing wall. You'll dance those same 16 counts. So let's dance those 16 counts. Weight is on your left, rolling your hips to the right, doing your step touch. So it's roll, touch, walk back, back, coaster, cross. Side together, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter, knee, pop. Weight is on your left, ready to start over again. Now, let's talk about the optional step change walls. It's going to happen on the chorus. So the first 2 times you do it will be the walls immediately following your restart. It's when she's singing, bring your booty over here. You're going to slightly change the last 8 counts. The 3rd time it happens is on wall 8. So it will be a couple walls after you finish close to the end of the dance. So what that step change will look like, instead of doing whole count, step, touch, what we're going to do is a quick step into the diagonal, touch and hold. So you're going to go and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. Now the swivel is going to be the same, but you want to hit the beats in the music. So you're going to step, and it's going to feel like you're kind of holding, but then our swivels are going to feel quicker. So you're going to hit the beats in the music and you'll do your quarter, swivel, swivel, center. And they're going to feel a little bit faster than they would on all the other walls. And that is the only step change you're going to do. You'll do it about 3 times, and you can choose to do it or you can choose to not do it. That is your choice. For the demo, when we walk through it, I did the step change. We will do it as well when we go through. So on the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall, as well as those step changes. So weight is on your left. We're starting with our hip roll, step, touch. So it's roll, touch, walk back, back, coaster, cross, side, together, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter, knee, pop, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, quarter, diagonal, touch, step, quarter, swivel, swivel, center, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Weights left, start over, roll, touch, walk back, back, coaster, cross, side, together, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter, knee, pop, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, quarter. This would be your step change wall, and touch, hold, step, touch, hold, step, twist, twist, center, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be your next restart wall. Roll, touch, walk back, back, coaster, cross, side, together, shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter, knee, pop, start over, weights on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2 and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll dance through, you'll do that change one more time if you would like. Now, the music is going to cut out towards the end of the dance. So we'll be doing the side wall, you'll be doing your cross, side, behind, point, and that music is going to fade out. You're going to keep dancing and end facing 12 o'clock. So you'll do your cross, side, behind, quarter, and then your diagonal touch. And then I just did my swivels in place so that I ended facing 12 o'clock. There is no ending listed on the step sheet, so you just want to dance until you feel comfortable and it ends 12 o'clock. Just finish doing your weave with that quarter turn so that you end facing 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn booty. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.
Get your booty over here.